Oppe mellem skovens træer lever to små fugle. De øver sig en vingeslag og passer en ule.
I'm named after my dad's uncle, who is called Oliver, like me. He was a night owl, and he was also top bird at the pipe.
Ni såg väl va, hur vi spöade upp katten? Och nu ska vi alltså spöa upp fejgen.
Right! So now I'm Oliver, you're Shrimpo.
Men Oliver, det var bara på skoj. Man behöver inte vara så allvarlig, bara för att man är...
Ja, jag känner gott dig, gamla äggetyp.
Bird Brain, what are you doing? We need them to help drive Fagin away.
Well, we'll help you, isn't that right, Frederick? We'll roast his ring.
Ah, yes. Now, who uncorked my lunch? It's almost empty. I'm starving.
Well, I thought it was about time that you and I have a baby of our own.
Me? Armstrong? Oh, no. I'm the leader of the Little Pipe Quartet, you know.
Well, I just, it's the sparrow. She saved my life once, and well, can't you kind of, sort of, spare her a little?
Right. He's so weird, and so is that bird he lives with. Imagine a sparrow marrying an owl. It's an absolute disgrace, you know.
Just where was he?
Hvorfor ikke? Hvad er der galt med underholdning?
Lad os flyve ned på vejen og se, om der er nogen, der bliver kørt over.
Nej, lad os dræne den tykke duserne for psykologiske problemer.
It's fake. Let's get out of here.
But I can't leave the eggs.
Troublemakers? That's right. Put the blame on someone else.
Things were peaceful around here before you were hatched. Too bad Fagin didn't get you two.